So this is the rhinestone one, and it was actually sent to me by the seller to check out, and I'll quickly show you some of its features and how it works. Comes with these different letters of the name in gold, and a bunch of these really cute rhinestones. And then this is basically what you would use in order to make it, and they do include pretty much everything that you would need. So and here's the final product. So this is just something fun that you could do if you have young girls who like to do arts and crafts, or if you're just doing like a girls' night and want to do something fun. So really cute, great quality, big variety of rhinestones. Definitely check it out.